Most people aren't poor because they don't earn enough. They're poor because of what they do with the money they have. Here are 9 habits keeping you broke. First, living without a budget. If you don't track your spending, you're flying blind, and small leaks will eventually sink your ship. Second, relying on high-interest consumer debt. Credit cards can create a reverse compound interest trap that erodes your net worth daily. Third, paying yourself last. Most people pay everyone else and save what's left. The secret? Pay yourself first, automatically. Fourth, lifestyle inflation. As you earn more, you spend more. This keeps you exactly 1 paycheck away from disaster, regardless of income. Fifth, neglecting an emergency fund. Without a buffer, every minor crisis becomes a major debt event. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Sixth, chronic impulse buying. These small emotional purchases can drain over $3,000 a year from your future wealth. Seventh, waiting too long to invest. You don't need a lot of money to start. You just need time. Compound interest is your greatest ally. Eighth, the procrastination spiral. Avoiding your bills or financial education creates a cognitive load that makes escaping poverty even harder. Finally, underutilizing tax advantages. Don't leave free money on the table. Break these habits and you'll start building the life you deserve.